Well, 15 days. I've been doing this baking soda challenge for 15 days now. Half of a month, halfway through. And even though I haven't been posting every single day, I'm still doing it every morning and every night. And yeah. A little bit more baking soda. There we go. The healthy amount. So, how's it doing? Still? I feel like my gum has got better in the last 15 days. And the teeth, I can't really tell too much because my teeth were already white to begin with. Pretty white, has a slight yellow tinge to it. I think my gums got better though. Anyway, so day 15, halfway done throughout the whole month. On to the rest of this 30 days. Y'all have a good day. Bye.